welcome to my channel. Today you're gonna see how to make the trail effect in Scratch. Let's see. Okay, subscribe for more of these effects in Scratch and check out my shorts. Subscribe for more of these so YouTube takes my video to you. So we are gonna make this effect, the trail effect. Cool, right? It looks like Sonic running, right? Okay, Sonic or any of them, like Sonic AXE, Sonic EXE, Knuckles, many of them do like this. But it's cool, right? And we are gonna see how to do this in today's video. And let's start. Go to events, take when flag click, and go to motion. Go to X or Y. Take it and make it to 0 and click it so it's in the middle. Now we go to control, take the forever block and go to motions again and go to random position and make it mouse pointer. And now go to control and create clone of myself. And now take when I start as a clone and now take repeat block from controls. Repeat block. Make it to 50 and go to looks and take the change effect by like that block. Yeah, this one. Change color effect by 25. Make it to ghost and make it 7. Okay, make it 7 and go to control and take the delete this clone. Okay, there we have it. And let's see what happens now. Our trail effects is done as we saw, but if you want, I will show you how to make Sonic now. Like Sonic, let's make it. Go to costumes, go to fill, make saturation 100% and take color 72 or the blue you like. And I'm gonna choose this dark, like this blue, and I'm gonna fill it. Oh wait, go to this bucket and now select it. Okay, saturation 100% and this blue I'm gonna take. I'm gonna fill. Oh god, this ended up bad. Wait, let's finish. I think this is kinda ugly, isn't it? Just say this is kinda ugly, right? Okay, just now I'm gonna take this blue. It's kinda little darker. If you don't see the difference, I don't know why. And let's make this big bad boy in this. Wait, this is better. Fill. And now we are gonna make this guy big by pulling him up. That's what we're gonna do. Now we're gonna pull this. Oh my god, this is. I'll make it here. I'm discovering everything possible right now. Actually, oh my god, I almost. Wait, is this blue right now? I'm gonna break it back. let's. And you can do it however you want. Yep, done. Okay, I made it ugly as possible. Okay, no need of this. Let's make it normal. Done. Okay. Wait. Actually, let's make him yellow as before. You know why I'm saying it? Because yellow is supersonic. Yeah. The thing what I'm thinking. Yellow. Now I'm gonna make it bright. Okay. Ooh, bro's cool. Bro's cool. Bro's aura level. Oh my god. Okay. Done. Now go to codes. Ooh. Done. And thanks for watching. Subscribe for more of these. And bye. Meet you in next video. And subscribe, like, and share your friends who are more interested in Scratch coding.